Good day, everyone. I'm Pastor Jeremiah.
Noreen. Christmas in the Philippines is usually celebrated together with the family, with special foods on the table. And with this, we come up with a program this Christmas to give a Noche Buena package to the needy, especially the PWD, senior citizen, and the indigent families in Isabelita. Because of that, we think that they cannot afford to buy food, special foods on Christmas. So with this Noche Buena package, we're able to uh, give them hope or give them joy that they can still be able to celebrate Christmas with special foods on the table together with their family.
We are targeting 50 families to give Noche Buena package, including spaghetti, sauce, pasta, cheese, cream, fruit cocktail. We are praying for 500 pesos or 14 Australian dollars
Per family.
for families. So with this, we are praying that you can support us in this project and to bless these families through your help.
Let's make their Christmas a Merry Christmas. Thank you for your support.
God bless you.
Noche Buena is one of the most famous and awaited events here in the Philippines, wherein every Filipino families gather every 24th of December to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ. Noche Buena is not just about Christmas itself, it's also about families, wherein everyone is present, everyone is excited kasi may mga matatanggap na mga regalo, everyone is excited kasi may mga masasarap na pagkain sa hapagkainan, 'di ba? There's really something special in Christmas. May pagmamahalan, may pagbibigayan, may pagpapatawaran. Kakaiba talaga pag Pasko ang pinag-uusapan. But what about those people who have nothing? The indigent families, families affected with disabilities, families of elderlies. This coming Christmas, let's make it something different, something special, something meaningful by giving and sharing your love to other people. Maybe Christmas happens to be at the last month of the year to give us more opportunity to become a blessing before this year ends. So come and join our Feast for the Least project.